She didn't pledge to keep time. So, Umkhonto weSizwe, please.
Do you pledge?
I do.
Sanibonani, baholi, ngibingelele izinzunkulu, ngibingelele bokubuholi bukhona, no judge, mina uJabulani Khumalo, omele Umkhonto weSizwe. I stand here to represent and on behalf of Umkhonto weSizwe, our President, Jacob Gedleyihlekisa Zuma, a visionary, patriotic, and selfless leader of all peace-loving South Africans, traditional leaders, traditional healers, religious leaders, patriotic citizens, and the native ancestors of our land. Umkhonto weSizwe Party is indeed the spear of the nation. We pledge to uphold the ethics and codes of conduct as per the regulation of the IEC. We also urge political tolerance as we spearhead change in the implementation of the people's mandate. We will deal decisively with any of our members that makes comments or utterances that incite violence, stock political themselves. The people shall govern by way of a two-thirds majority. We believe Umkhonto weSizwe will get the two-thirds majority. The government of Umkhonto weSizwe will done away with the Roman Dutch law constitution that continues to benefit a few elite capitalists, whilst the poorest of the poor, the marginalized people of South Africa are still living under poverty because of that Dutch Roman law. We are not going to condone it, but we are going to do it away with it. And we believe that the women and youth are the rightful owners of this country's future and therefore should be taken center stage in the transformation of our society and economy. We will give the land back to the rightful owners, the kings, the princesses. We want to uphold, and we're saying we will work with the IEC and make sure that peace and stability in South Africa.